Does your toilet look like this a lot of the time? You have a toilet seat like that that's driving you nuts? It's one of those little things that is so easy to fix. If you're capable of using a screwdriver, flathead, Phillips, then you're capable of fixing a loose toilet seat. Get that toilet seat tightened up. It's easy to do. This is a skirted toilet, flat down the edge, but you can't get to the bolts. You need to get to these right here. So we just push this button, pull that up. Okay, so we got that off of there. Then you just want to pop these caps up. Put that in there and you just want to snug that up. Push down on that while you're turning. And that will get it as tight as possible. These just go back. And then this just sits right back down there. Lightly pull up on each side, make sure that's locked in place. Just a little bit of movement, but you can't push it back and forth like it was before. All right, so I hope the video helped. If it did, hit that like button. And if you like DIY videos, check out this one up here. Here's the other style. The one I just showed you had the button in the middle. This has a button here and a button here. I forgot to mention too that this style of seat is great for cleaning purposes. Especially if you have kids, you just pop the seat off whenever you're cleaning. You can sanitize and clean around here and do a much more thorough job than if you have the standard toilet seat that's bolted down. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.